you an honest review of iPage coming from an actual customer. I'm going to show you some of the features they offer, I'm going to test their tech support, and I'm going to tell you some things about iPage that you need to know. So let's get started. Right here's the iPage homepage. As you can see right now they're offering hosting for $1.99 a month, which is a very good price. You save 83% off. And here you can see you get over $500 in extras, including Google AdWords offer, site lock, you get Bing ad credits. Now, with their shared hosting plan, you get all these features: unlimited storage space, scalable bandwidth, unlimited names allowed, unlimited MySQL databases, and you get a free domain for 1 year, which is a $14.99 value. Now, in terms of the unlimited storage space, most web hosting companies, they say this. It's not truly unlimited. Let me open this up here. If you read here, it says there's no cap on the disk space that they provide to deliver the content of your website. As long as you are compliant with their terms of service and utilize storage for the normal operation of your iPage website, you won't have any problems. But there are a few cases where customers, they had a lot of files. I'm talking tens of thousands, and so it created a problem for iPage, and they had to manage those files effectively. So you get hosting utilities and settings here, selling online, world-class technology. They have some designing and building tools, WordPress one-click installer. They give you all these tools to market your website. Again, Google AdWords, Bing, $100 credits, free yellowpages.com listing. In terms of customer support, they have a 30-day money-back guarantee, and they have 24/7 phone, chat, and email support, which is really important. And they say calls are answered in a minute on average. Now, here you see again, it's $1.99 a month for the iPage Essential plan, which is their most basic shared hosting plan. You see you get all these features here. And if you look at this asterisk here, just want to scroll down here. It says the introductory prices are for the first term of service only and automatically renew at the regular rate. So let me show you what the regular rate is. You can see here, depending on the billing cycle that you choose when you sign up, your regular rate is going to be $12.95 a month for the monthly term, $12.95 a month for the yearly term, $11.95 a month for the 2-year term, and $10.95 a month for the 3-year term. So here's what I would do. I would go to ipwebsitespeedtest.com and test iPage's shared hosting speed, see how fast iPage is able to download the test pages on that website, and then check out their uptime percentage. And if you like what you see, then I would just sign up with either the 2-year plan or the 3-year plan, and that way you get locked into the $2 a month rate, and it only costs you either $50 a year or $75 a year. And then all that money you save on hosting, you can put towards marketing your website when it's finished. Now, their control panel isn't like a lot of other hosting companies' control panel. A lot of hosting companies use a C panel. iPage uses their own control panel. They give you a video walkthrough to help you out. But I just want to show you what the control panel looks like here. It's pretty user intuitive. Doesn't take that long to get used to. So that's the control panel. You can see here's the WordPress, where you install WordPress. Now, before I show you this, I do want to show you, I did chat with iPage and I asked them about their uptime guarantee, because I couldn't find one on their website anywhere. Most web hosting companies, they offer a 99.99% uptime guarantee, and they'll have it listed on their website somewhere. So my initial question was, hello, does iPage guarantee 99.99% uptime on the Essential Shared Hosting Plan? If so, can you please tell me where on the iPage website I can find the guarantee? And Ravi answered, the uptime guarantee is not mentioned on our website. So I asked, so iPage does not offer a 99.99% uptime guarantee on the Essential Shared Hosting Plan? And he answered, I believe the uptime guarantee is up to 99%. I asked, if that is the case, why is the guarantee nowhere on the iPage website? And he said, since it's shared hosting plan, we don't have such uptime guarantee. So there you go, straight from iPage. It's not really a problem. It's nice to have a 99.99% uptime guarantee. I'll show you the actual uptime of iPage website speed test. And let me bring that up right now. So if you go over here and click uptime, I have a third-party service monitor the uptime for my website. If you look here, you can see the 7-day uptime is 99.89%. And you can see here the last 5 days were at 100% uptime. And there's only one day in the last 7 days where it was less than 100% right here. So that's just to give you an idea of the actual uptime that iPage offers, at least for my website. Now I want to show you how fast their tech support is. See here, I asked them, how do I find out which version of PHP my website is using? And right here it says Matthew Rao contacted iPage at 9:54 a.m. and iPage contacted Matthew Rao. They answered me at 9:57 a.m. So 3 minutes, that's pretty fast response time. So I'm pleased with that. Next, I'm going to open a live chat session with iPage, and I'm going to ask them how to create my own email account with them, and we'll see how fast they respond and how quick they can help me out through the live chat. By the way, I also created a video where I actually break my iPage website, contact iPage support through the live chat system, and show you in real time just how long it takes iPage to fix my website. You can watch that video just by clicking the link you see on the screen. Okay, I'm back and I've opened the iPage live chat system and I have a stopwatch set up so you guys can see exactly how fast iPage's technical support is. So I'm going to put in my information here, put in my name, and choose a technical support department, and my domain, IP website speedtest.com. Yes, type in my question, how do I create a new email account? And click continue, start chat, and we'll start the stopwatch. Alright, first of all, let's see how fast it takes them to respond. Ah, 30 seconds. It's pretty fast. Okay, so I'm going to type in here. Now let's see how fast it takes Saravana to answer my question. Okay, it's been a minute already. Minute and a half. Ah, there we go. Coming up on 2 minutes. It's 2 minutes now. You can create at Mail Central. And it looks like she gave me a link. There we go. 2 minutes and 46 seconds. That's pretty fast. That's pretty good. I'm pleased with that. So it only took her 2 minutes and 46 seconds to answer my question on how to create a mailbox for myself at iPage. So I hope you enjoyed my iPage honest review from an actual customer, and feel free to subscribe and comment below the video. And make sure to check out the links in the description underneath the video before you sign up with iPage. Thanks for watching.